Let's learn Gujarati. Today we are learning wild animals in the language Gujarati. Wild animals, wild animals in Gujarati is jangli praniyo. Today we will cover leopard, fox and hyena and how to say that in Gujarati. Leopard, deepado, deepado, deepado. Fox, shiar, shiar, early sound, shiar. I know this one's a little bit tough, but practice and you'll get it. Hyena, jarak, jarak. Is it Z or J? Whichever way it's easier for you. So I wrote both, jarak or zarak. In Gujarati, it's jarak, ja. So one more time, leopard, deepado, fox, shiar, hyena, jarak. બરાબર છે? Come back tomorrow for more. આવજો.